Here's what you need to know about Introduction to CompTIA Network plus N10-009. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. CompTIA Network plus N10-009 is a vendor-neutral certification that proves you can design, configure, manage, and troubleshoot wired and wireless networks. It covers 5 domains: networking concepts, network infrastructure, network operations, network security, and network troubleshooting. It is the industry standard for entry-level network professionals and is recognized by employers worldwide. Key concept: 5 exam domains. The N10-009 exam covers 5 domains: networking concepts, 23%, network infrastructure, 20%, network operations, 17%, network security, 20%, and network troubleshooting, 20%. Each domain is equally important, no shortcuts. Key concept: exam format and length. The exam has up to 90 questions and a 90-minute time limit. Questions include multiple choice, drag and drop, and performance-based simulations. Passing score is 720 out of 900. Key concept: who should get Network Plus? Network Plus is designed for IT professionals with 9 to 12 months of networking experience. It is the logical step after CompTIA, A+, and before Security Plus. Many employers list it as a minimum requirement for help desk and network technician roles. Key concept: what changed in N10-009? N10-009 added more cloud networking, network virtualization, and SD-WAN content compared to previous versions. It reflects modern enterprise environments where physical and virtual infrastructure coexist. Let's look at the full breakdown. Domain 1, networking concepts. Weight, 23%. Topics: OSI, TCP/IP, IP addressing, protocols. Domain 2, network infrastructure. Weight, 20%. Topics: devices, cabling, wireless, cloud. Domain 3, network operations. Weight, 17%. Topics: monitoring, documentation, redundancy. Domain 4, network security. Weight, 20%. Topics: threats, VPNs, AAA, firewalls. Domain 5, network troubleshooting. Weight, 20%. Topics: tools, methodology, common issues. Here's a real-world example. A help desk technician studying for Network Plus learns how to read IP addresses, configure VLANs, and troubleshoot connectivity issues. Skills used every single day on the job. After passing the exam, they qualify for network administrator roles, paying 20 to 30% more than help desk positions. The certification does not expire. It renews every 3 years with continuing education. Quick recap before you go. 1. CompTIA Network plus N10-009 is a vendor-neutral networking certification recognized worldwide. 2. 5 domains: networking concepts, infrastructure, operations, security, troubleshooting. 3. Exam, up to 90 questions, 90 minutes, passing score 720 out of 900. 4. Recommended for professionals with 9 to 12 months of networking experience. 5. N10-009 added cloud networking, South Dakota, WAN, and network virtualization to reflect modern environments. That's Introduction to CompTIA Network plus N10-009 covered. Exam tip: know the 5 domain weightings by heart. Security, 20%. Concepts, 23%. Infrastructure, 20%. Operations, 17%. Troubleshooting, 20%. If time is short, prioritize concepts and security, since together they make up 43% of the exam. Next up, what is the OSI model? If this helped, hit subscribe. New Network Plus topics drop every week.